In what could be called a blessing for patients with kidney ailments in the state, Director of RIMS, Professor Dr. Guru Aribam Sunil Kumar Sharma has announced successful completion of 2 kidney transplants at RIMS. The transplants were performed under the Human Organ Transplant Committee Act and with the approval of the State Committee on a male and a female patient using kidneys donated by their family members. The male patient's kidney was donated by his wife, while the female patient's kidney was donated by her brother. The director said that the complex surgeries each lasted 6 to 7 hours, which cost rupees 5 lakh. However, the expenses amounted to only 3 lakh rupees as both patients were CMHT card holders. Dr. Sunil Kumar noted that while government funding for free tests had been ceased, tests for admitted patients at RIMS are still conducted without charge. He stated that OPD patients can now obtain tickets through Aadhaar scanner, avoiding long queues. The director emphasized that RIMS is not currently among the top 50 institutions under National Institution Ranking Framework, as various new hospitals have been registered at AIIMS. He mentioned that 2019 meeting with AIIMS Board and Vice Chancellor of Manipur University that discussed about upgrading RIMS to the AIIMS level. Professor Dr. Sunil Kumar expressed optimism that this upgrade will take place in the near future.
Legally, issues may have like Human Organ Transplant Act and the Government of India gi. RIMS ki committee ama lairani transplant gi adagi state ki transplant committee lairani unethical practice lakko khotpa mayam du thingnaba na act si laibane aduna koina act si gi matungina donor oi bayari si koi family members natane amana koi first degree second degree adagi third party adi koi love and affection gi close ama laigre the khwai chawba pot si di ngasai gi donor phangmasini donor si phangwa yang wa bai tar aduga khoi gi transplant si gi achievement haragadi thamjaningi se is a team effort ms ki site gi khoi gi committee semdana adagi state gi clearance lowdana adagi khoi department of nephrology main kaino stakeholder di moini adagi khoi gi urology gi team ma chaw ma laigre khoi recent times khoi gi expert ani ma pan da training to lore tha ma ni changna duga khoi transplant surgeon su laire